the judges want to commend everyone for their posters. It was clear that the students put forth a lot of work and effort in their presentations. One poster from the sciences and one from the humanities could be selected as the final winners because of their solid use of visuals, clear focus, engaging content. The judges have determined this year's winners. So I'm going to begin with the humanities winner. The winner is Jonathan Brown. And our second winner for our second year students is Diana Grover. Diana's poster is touchscreen. Diana created a visually excellent poster with content that meaningfully supports the goal of the project and has valuable contributions to science and medicine. Congratulations, Diana.